You want to see what we're doing?
Can I hit it?
No. There's more to it than just hitting it.
Feet wet? No, I turned the scarf over. I'm smarter than that. I wasn't getting a wet ass.
The four-wheel drive. What I don't have is a short bed 79 Dodge that's been lowered with a 440 that I can do donuts in. True story.
What's up, guys?
Welcome to Lowry's Garage.
Yep, we're back.
We got the old Jeepster in. We're gonna clean it out, see if we can get brakes,
Yeah.
maybe get the fuel tank hooked up, and take it for a drive. Now, for this one, and then we're gonna see about doing some other stuff to make it actually something worth having.
Yeah, see if we can't play with it a little bit.
But for now, oh, and we got a whole list of goodies for it from last week. I got
Yeah.
I got a set of double hump heads for that 327.
Yeah, I got another cam and lifters for it that I had laying on shelf.
Set of Corvette valve covers for 327. Got a set of seats out of a van. They're low profile seats. They'll look good in it. All right, we're going to get after it. We're going to get something done when we get to work.
Yeah.
Let's clean this thing out.
Yeah. It's gonna be good time.
Yeah, good time.
So I'm gonna show them what we're actually
All right.
this is what we're cleaning out.
What we got to clean out. I'll set the camera over here.
The trash can a little closer.
I'll set a camera behind you.
Gosh, we got dust. I don't think you want to keep this. Well, I mean, it's still good rope.
No, I don't think we need that rope.
You don't need it?
No, I
Make
don't.
another tire swing out of it, man.
I don't think we need that rope here.
Need a good quality trash can lid.
Oh, only the best.
Just broke. But I mean, probably do something with it. Well, you know.
Never know when you're gonna need a good trash can with it.
You do it first time. Something about being poor old redneck boys, you just kind of make what you got work. We're about to get company.
Are we?
I do believe. What's up?
You're on camera. Hold the language.
Neon. I'm gonna get you one of the neon signs that says 50 in progress.
Yeah,
or
right.
something.
I gotta see what's in.
A valve or something. Like that part of the shower valve.
Let me see. That is off of a water meter.
Oh.
Yeah. My bad.
There's a whole bunch of them.
I think when we do curl mount, I did this utility work for a company where I'd go around replacing water meters and get like, I think it was like $10.
Are they brass or something?
Yeah, they're all brass. We're keeping them.
Yeah, well I got let go because that douchebag copper water meters while I was home, remember?
Language. Watch what you say. You're on film
It's
everywhere.
gonna happen.
I have to cut this part out.
Talking to you, Jesse.
Don't worry, he has to edit out a few things for me. I forget. He's like, he'll just look at me. I'm like, oh, my bad.
Sounds like, hey.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hey, that's your side cover for your welder.
I ain't seen that in
If
forever.
we get it put back together and working right, might want to keep that.
All right, there's been comments about we should restore this, and we're gonna go over why you can't restore it. First off, the original motor is gone. And second, honestly, she's rusted out just about everywhere. On the doors are gone, no floors. You know, the front suspension is completely collapsed under the weight of the V8. Even around the windshield. You know, if it was better, if it was in good shape, we might have thought about restoring it or turning it into a nice hot rod. The shape it's in, we're gonna throw an S10 chassis under it, weld the floor in it, we're gonna hot rod it a little. We're gonna have a little fun with it. And then one day it's gonna be too rotten to keep rebuilding.
Yeah.
But we could have fun with it for a few summers, maybe go do some burnouts, do some donuts.
Play with it.
Have a little fun. You know, nothing wrong with that. We're saving, you know, this is our style of recycling. We're recycling it to use it one more time.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna get to work. I gotta drain the fuel tank. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Check the brake.
Yeah, I need to see if we can't get some pressure built up in them brake lines. If we can't get them to bleed out.
Drive it one more time like this before we cut the frame out.
Yeah.
If we can get some brakes. If we
Yeah.
get brakes, if not, we're gonna start cutting.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get to it.
Here we go. We're back in action.
We're back.
Welcome back, folks.
We don't know what you missed.
Right. You really kind of don't.
We're horrible YouTubers and we weren't paying attention to the camera.
Yeah. We was in La La Land.
We're doing what we do when we work on cars. Work on the car. That hurt.
Oh, yeah.
In case we didn't get it recorded, we'll say it now. We found that we can't get the brakes to work. We're not going to buy a master cylinder for something we don't have brakes for, that we're not going to keep together. So it's coming apart.
Let me pull the alternator to it and pull the alternator out of it.
I think you probably don't even have to pull anything off of it. I'm pretty sure once this front clips off of it,
Oh yeah, we are taking the clip off of it.
we'll pull the headers off.
Oh, here.
We'll pull the front clip off, we'll pull the headers, get rid of the gas line. Motor and transmission in one unit can probably come right out.
Yeah.
I mean, these homemade mounts he made, they're not real complicated. One bolt on each side. The transmission mount, I don't know what he built there, but we'll find out.
Oh, you riveted this on.
Huh?
You riveted this on.
Yeah, I got a 1/4 inch drill bit.
Okay.
This one shouldn't get hard to get off here. I just put it on. Put her on the. We need to find a place we want to put all the parts to this.
Yeah.
Here. Gotta do that. Yeah, wait to get the radiator out.
Yeah.
Oh, wait till you look under the dash. There's stuff under there we can remove. The radio can come out of this thing.
Yeah.
The radio's crazy. It's just a. This is for the fans that are watching. All right. The radio, you see it here. That's the original radio. When you look under, hand me that light. When you look under the dash, all that is just the controls. That right there, this big box right here, that is the original radio for this car. That box. It'll come out of the firewall. We're gonna put everything in here on a diet.
Yeah.
And take the radio out. I doubt we put a radio back in. The instrument cluster, it's nothing that I can use. I think we'll probably make an aluminum plate, go over it and stick the gauges in it. Don't know what else to do with it. I don't see us putting a we can put a Bluetooth speaker in it if we want to.
Yeah. I don't know, Dave might have a stereo, Dave might put in it.
Well, I'm saying, the speedometer on it, I don't even plan on putting a speedometer in. We're going to have a oil pressure, temperature gauge,
Yeah.
amp gauge, and a tack. I use my phone or my iPad for a speedometer,
Yeah.
if
We'll make it work. It's just gonna be a cruising vehicle, play in. That's all it's gonna be.
I'm really wanting to take it on power tour.
Yeah. It'll be fun.
If it rains, we're getting wet.
Yeah. You know.
We both ride motorcycles. We've been wet before.
You ain't wrong.
All right, don't get back after it.
That's a Philco radio. It's still got the tag on it.
Does it?
Philco CR6 is what it is. Let's see it right here.
How's that work?
Oh, I'm gonna spray them linkages down up there.
Okay. Oh, I see the cables.
Yeah.
They roll through them rollers and then up through the.
Yeah, and then there's rollers here.
They go up that thing.
Yeah.
So we may figure out if we can get them to
That's what
work.
I'm saying. I guarantee you we can make them work.
In a worst case scenario, I'll make a piece that comes out with a shaft going down
Yeah, all we need is some steel cable, dude.
and make it do this. Just, a windshield wiper motor will make a lever go back and forth.
Yeah.
We'll come up with some kind of system to make it work.
Yeah, that's all it does, dude. I guarantee you we can make that work.
When we make it work, we'll put wipers on it. Because it would at least help if we get caught in the rain, even though we'll be getting wet.
Because the bottom one or the top one is tied to the return. and the other one's tied to the outswing on both of them.
And if somebody on here is watching,
And you know how it works? Call us and let us know.
no, somebody on here is watching. Hey, you got a wing window for one of these?
Right?
We could use a driver's side wing window. You know, just saying. You know, PM me.
Say we clean this firewall up.
Yeah, we're gonna take all that black stuff off of it.
All
Plug
that
all
is
these holes
cardboard,
up.
dude.
Huh?
All that is cardboard. Really
Plug all the
old.
holes up. I have plenty of battery cable. We probably are going to remove this.
Put it
And
back.
put the battery toward the back just because I don't want to deal with it being up here.
Yeah. It'll be bare bones.
I'll probably go through the carburetor. Make sure it's in
Find
better.
a rebuild kit for it.
That or I'll take one of my Hollies and put on it, or maybe my Demon. Who knows? I do have a few other rocks too laying around. And it's yeah.
We'll make it do what we want.
Well, we just got to make sure when we tear the motor down, we'll know more about the motor.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem to be smoking. That tells me that.
And that's surprising for, I mean,
For as much water as was in it,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, we pull it down, we'll see what we got. Put on your engine stand, pull it down, see what we got. I do have a line on a 700 R4.
yeah, that'd be cool.
You know, they'd give it overdrive for out on the road. The guy's wanting my Power Glide. It's in here.
Oh,
He wants the Power Glide. I'd really have the, you know, and I like the Power Glide. I mean, if you're going to drag race it, but for what we're doing, what we're planning on doing with this,
yeah, we don't need it.
we're not going to be going drag racing.
You gonna trade me? Almost, yeah. Good transmission?
We'll see.
We'll find out. If not, I know somebody that knows how to rebuild them. He might not like to, but I know somebody that knows how to rebuild them, guys.
Yeah, well, I talked my buddy into doing the last one. That tells you how much I hate doing it. I don't think I got turbo 3. Had turbo, no, it's turbo.
I got a brand new turbo 250 with shift kit in it. I got
You got
old
old turbo.
turbo 350, and I'm wanting to rebuild that for the blades. And then, I mean, the turbo 250, I paid that. Well, my ex-wife paid to have it rebuilt. It needs to go in something.
Yeah, but those are terrible transmissions. To put it lightly, those are terrible transmissions. Man, I was on there.
Well, we thought it was a turbo 350 when I sent it out to have it rebuilt. It's the same damn case.
Yeah, pretty close.
Well,
Pretty damn close.
you're the one that gave it to me. And I sent it to the shop, told them to rebuild it. They rebuilt it. Then when I got back, I was like,
I didn't probably even look. I just grabbed one of the many that were laying around the shop floor.
yeah, I think it was $700 and something to rebuild it.
How many of them have I had sitting around
Yeah,
at the
you
time?
had a few. No, front clip removal right there, boys and girls. We're gonna have to take the headers off. That would break those right there.
Or, oh, the exhaust, yeah. We're gonna take the exhaust off, or we're probably gonna take it completely off anyway. We can actually take the headers loose there, not doing it back there, take the headers and mufflers all off at one time.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Well, good thing about it is when we put it all back together, we can do it the right way.
Yeah, we'll be
You know what I
definitely wire
mean?
cutters. I'll be rewiring everything when it goes back together.
Yeah, make a new harness for it.
What do you think? You know me.
Yeah.
But no, I'm not gonna go buy a,
No. You ain't got too many wires on this motor.
yeah, I mean, headlights, bright headlights, dim headlights,
Yeah,
left turn signal, right turn signal. Alternator, it's a one-wire alternator, it's a one wire to the alternator, wire to the coil, start wire. There's not gonna be a lot of wiring to this. Tail lights and turn signals. Sometimes. All right, Dave, you want to go on up with it?
Yep.
There, go on up.
Or just catching on the gearbox. Now you're not being able to go over this way.
What is it?
No, I mean, once it gets up a little bit more, it'll come over this way.
All right. Oh.
Here.
Grab that side, and we'll go straight back. Yep. All right. Yeah, cross now. Yeah, let's do this. Why, hello.
Son, what am I hanging on?
We should go right on out there now. Take her back. Take her down some. Make it a little more stable for moving. Alright. Yep. Well, we like to finish the dash out, you know?
Keep the radio out.
And I need to weld up these doors. Listen, it's an interesting project. I'll be glad to work on this. Just, oh, and here's another reason I want to change front end gate. Here, you want to put your camera and we'll show them. Here, you better come over here and get a good angle from right here. May have to just unclip it off there.
Figure out how this thing works out. There it is.
That was easy. That fitment on that steering arm down there?
Got a little play in it.
Yeah, well, there ain't no point in buying one for this. You know, it's got old drum brakes. It's horrible front suspension. Won't handle the weight.
Yeah. It don't have any suspension. None. The springs are kind of sitting against the frame rail, the cross member.
Yeah, when it's with that front end, when that motor's in it, there's no suspension left. All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Like and subscribe if you don't mind.
Next video, I'll be pulling this out. I'm going to brace this up and pull it out. Bringing the S10 chassis here. We got to cut
4.3 inches.
4.3 inches out of 4.25 inches, whatever. It's close enough.
Yeah.
Out of it. And once it's cut down, cleaned up some, we're not going to make it spit shine polished. Probably ain't going to paint it. Well, we might paint it. Who knows? Then we'll come in here and cut this floor out, lift this body off and set it down on the S10 chassis and start.
See what we gotta do to make it work.
See what we gotta do to make a floor. We got a steering column,
Yeah.
got a different steering wheel. We got swing pedals. Got the seats. This is part of it, guys. Collect stuff. Yeah. Right now we have 3 major projects. 4.
No.
3 of them. Well, one's his,
Little Ranger.
and he's gonna have to collect parts.
Yeah.
We got this. I've got parts that are sitting all over for this. We got the orange Dodge. It's complete pretty much. Just got to be painted.
Yeah.
Then we have the black Dodge, and we got enough parts around here to put it together.
Yeah.
Then we got the other project that we ain't got to do a real run on. All right. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Yeah.